Yeah, this is the 2014 Nissan Rogue. Okay, to replace the air filter. This is the box right here. All right, first remove the intake duct, air duct. This is 10 millimeter. Lose this one and lose that one if you need it. All right, but just leave it there. But remove this one for sure. And there's a two clip right here. All right, unclip that. And can get this out. All right. This. Yep, something like that. 1, 2. Here we go. And remove this out of the way. And that air filter is dirty. All right. It's need a new one. The clip right here, and one clip on this side. Yes. All right. This should come out like this. Here we go. Holy cow. Yep, it's totally due. All right. This is a new one. That's it. Just put a slice it in the way, but you know what? Normally I like to put a date on this, write a date on it, so whoever would do it next time would know how many years this filter was done before, replacement. So I like to write it in. February, right here. 02. 2022. Yep, that will work. Yeah, just slide this in. Okay, let's see. Yep, this is outside. All right, slide it in. Down, upside down. That's it. All right. That's how it goes. And then put this back on and put the clip on it, and we're good. Thank you for watching.